Okay. Okay, so today we're going to start with fractions like we have all week, okay guys? So, can everybody say this after me? Say, I will be able to model and solve real word addition and subtraction. Problems involving fractions with like and unlike denominators by using models and equations. Okay. So, first, get your hundreds chart. Okay, Okay, your first hint is it is greater than 50 but less than 90. Okay, well first you can write your guess. How many hearts are in the jar? Okay. It is an odd number. Okay, your third hint is it is a multiple of 3. Okay, your last hint, it's 3 less than a multiple of 10. Okay. When you have an answer, put your thumb on your test. Okay, Patrick, what's your guess?
51.
51. Okay. Skylar, what's your guess? 67. Okay. Amira? 74. Okay. Guadalupe? 66. Okay. Cambria?
54.
54.
Wait, yeah, 54.
Okay. Does anybody else have a guess? Patrick?
Have you guys said it?
No, no one has said it. Remember that it is 3 less than a multiple of 10. And it's not an even number. It's an odd, it would be an odd number if it's not an even number. Okay, Patrick.
57.
Okay. Any other guesses? You agree? Does anybody agree with Patrick? Okay. McKinley?
78.
78. Okay, y'all want to know? Oh, Cambria.
53.
53. Okay, y'all ready?
57.
Good job. Good job, Patrick. Okay. Now put your 100 charts up, clean them up, and then hand me your extra markers. Probably don't clean your 100 chart with your marker. Thank you. Grab your marker. Okay. So today we have some vocab words. Okay, can someone read our first vocab word? Kylan.
A number that represents a part of the whole.
Okay. Good job. A fraction, a number that represents part of a whole. Okay. Can't breathe.
Fractions that have different denominators.
Unlike denominators. So unlike denominators, they have fractions that have different denominators. Okay, who can read the last one? Guadalupe.
Is a math problem from everyday life that helps solve real
Situations.
situations, not just numbers on a worksheet.
Good job. So real world problem. Can anybody think about like what would a real world problem? Can anybody give me a guess of like what a real world problem would be? Okay.
Maybe like having to add numbers when buying a house.
Yeah, like buying a house. So that's a real world problem. Does anybody have an idea of like how it could be in your life, like a real world problem, like when you have to go buy something?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when you have to buy something with money. Okay, Kylan.
No.
What I can think of, Landon, did you have a guess? Yeah, when somebody has to do taxes. One day you're gonna have to do taxes. So you have to know how to do math, right? The rest of your life you're gonna have to use math. So that's real world problems. So you're actually gonna have to apply this. Like it's not just, oh, here's a worksheet, let me do math. Like that can sometimes be kind of boring, right? Like, oh, I have to do a full thing of worksheets and I don't want to. But if it's applied to your real world life, then it's actually kind of like, wow, it could have a sentence saying, this is what you need to do, and this is how you do it. Okay, does anybody have any questions, comments, anything that they want to add? Patrick?
I don't want to do no taxes.
You don't want to do taxes?
What do you have to?
I don't either. Okay.
Do you really have to pay for a passport?
Yes.
Okay. So, our essential question, can someone read it for me, please? McKinley.
Can we use fraction equations to represent and solve real world problems involving the addition and subtraction of different?
So, like we've been doing for a while now, we've been adding and subtracting fractions, right? So now we're going to apply that in real world problems. So, let's do that together. Now, you know how fractions are what of a whole? It's a
Whole, a half.
half of a whole or what's the word? A part of a whole. Good job. So if I have a pizza with 6 pieces, but I eat 5 of them, how many do I have left?
One.
You have 1. Do you have a whole pizza left?
No.
No, you only have 1, 6.
No.
But you ate 5, 6 of it. Now what about this pizza? It had how many slices?
5.
What's this?
Now, how many did somebody eat?
4.
4. So it would be 4/5, right? Okay. So, can anybody tell me how many parts are in this donut?
A whole.
Raise your hand, please. Landon? 4. Now let's say you and Kylan ate half of the donut. How much would be left? 2. Good job. Okay, now how many parts are in this cookie? Sydney? 3. Okay, Kaylee, if you ate 2 pieces of the cookie, what would that be in a fraction?
1/3.
You would have 1/3 left. Good job. Okay, so let's do our first real world problem. Okay, so imagine you and your friends are baking cookies. You need 2/3 cups of sugar for one batch, and your friend has 1 1/12 cup of sugar in a bowl already. How much sugar will you need to add to the bowl? So let's work this together. This one? No.
You might have to move the mouse on the keyboard. There we
It really doesn't want to work. Okay. So you have 2/3 cup of sugar for one batch, and your friend has 1/12 cup of sugar in the bowl already. How much sugar will you need to add to the bowl? Even though it says add to the bowl, you need 2/3, but your friend put 1/12 in it. Are we gonna add or subtract these fractions? Subtract. We're gonna subtract them. So, what is the least common denominator for 3 and 12? Haley.
3.
No. Okay. Kimberly.
4.
No. Okay, the least common denominator for 3 and 12. Can 12 go into 3?
No.
No. Okay, so Tyler.
12.
12. Good job. So 12 is our least common denominator. Now what happened to this 1? Did we have to change the 12?
No.
No, so is the 1 going to stay the same?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so 2/3. What did we have to do to the 3?
Times 4.
We had to multiply it by 4. What's 4 times 2?
8.
Good job. Now, can someone subtract these fractions for me? Guadalupe? Let's subtract the numerators. What's 8 minus 1? 7. Now what happened to your denominator? Does your denominator change? It stays the same, correct. So, how much more sugar do we have to add to our batch? 7/12. Is that more than half?
Yes.
It is more than half. So what would half be?
6/12.
6/12. Good job, Patrick. Okay, you need 1 3/4 cup of flour for a cake recipe, but you've already added 2/3 of a cup. How much more flour do you need to add? So is this going to be an addition or a subtraction problem?
Addition.
Subtract.
It really does have a mind. Every time you do it. How about we move to the whiteboard? That'd be a lot easier. It does need some help.
You do?
No, I don't.
You gotta click the penny.
Okay, so we have 1 3/4. Y'all come look at this board. Okay, so we have 1 3/4 and 2/3 cups. So What is the least common denominator for 4 and 3? Can anybody raise their hand and tell me the least common denominator? Jada.
4.
No. Let's see. Kyla.
8.
Chrissy.
12.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, what do we have to multiply 4 by to get 12? 3. So, what's 3 times 3?
9.
Okay, what do we have to multiply 3 by to get 12?
4.
4.
What's 4 times 2?
8.
Okay. What's 9 minus 8? 1. Does our denominator change?
No.
So, do we just leave this 1 up here for?
No.
We bring it down, right? So we're gonna have 1 and 1 12. Is 1/12 closer to 0 or closer to 1?
0.
Closer to 0. Good job. Okay. To this problem, can I get somebody to read it, please? Cambria, can you please read the problem on the board?
I sure will.
Thank you.
A receipt costs a recipe calls for 3/5 cup of milk, but you accidentally poured 2/5 cup into the bowl. How much more milk do you need to add?
Okay, so we had 3/4. That's how much we needed, okay? But we accidentally poured 2/5. Is that enough?
No.
No. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna add or subtract to this? We're gonna subtract. Good job, Patrick. Okay. Oh, this one's so easy. Why is it easy? Can anybody tell me why this is gonna be a little bit easier? Landon.
Because they have the same denominator.
Because they have the same denominator. So do we need to change them?
No.
No, because that would just
I
waste
know
our
another
time.
reason.
What's another reason?
Because you already supposed to know 2 minus 3.
And what is that?
1.
1.
1/5.
Oh.
1. Good job. So how much milk did we need to add?
1/5.
Is that closer to 0 or closer to 1?
Closer to 0.
Okay. Now we're gonna make some brownies.
We making brownies?
Okay. I wish.
I really want some.
Okay, y'all listen. You melted 3/4 cup of butter for cookies. Wait, who wants to read it? Oh my goodness, so many hands. Amira.
You melted 3/4 cup of butter for cookies, and your friend melted 2/5 of cup for brownies. How much butter do you have in total?
Okay. So is this an adding or subtracting?
Adding.
What are we gonna be doing?
Adding.
We're gonna add. Now, why are we gonna add?
Because it said
How
total.
How much is your total, right? Okay, so let's find our least common denominator. That's really weird. What's our least common denominator for 4 and 5? Kylan. 20. Good job. Okay. What do we have to do to our 4 for it to become 20? We have to multiply by 5. What's 5 times 3?
15.
Good job. Okay. What do we have to multiply 5 by to get 20?
4.
Kaylin. 4. What's 4 times 2?
4 times 6.
8. Good job.
I already said 10.
Okay. Now, who wants to add these for me? Guadalupe.
15 plus 8. Is that what you want?
Hmm?
23.
23. Now, is our numerator bigger than our denominator?
Yes.
Real.
It is bigger, right? Okay, well, What are we gonna do? What is the word that I'm looking for? What is it called? You're gonna have to help me. What is the word? I just said it.
What'd you say?
Regroup.
A mixed fraction.
Okay, so what would make this a whole? What number on top of it? 20. So 20 over 20 is what? 1. So what are we gonna have left over on the top? 3 20ths. So how much butter did we have in total?
$100.
Who just said
I made $200.
1 and 20. 1 and 320.
1 and 3 20ths. Good job.
Oh, 320.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to do some eggs. Can someone read this for me? Haley.
A cake recipe calls for 1. Wait, what did I say? No,
1 and 1/2.
1 1/2 eggs and cookies. And the cookie recipe calls for 3/4 eggs. How many eggs do you need in total?
In total. How many eggs? So is this addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. Okay. So what is the least common denominator for 2 and 4? Jada.
8. I mean, okay, 4.
8? We could use 8, but what's the least? What did you say?
4.
4. Okay. So what's gonna happen to our 1/2? It's gonna become, what's the denominator?
It's the 4.
2
So what did we have to multiply 2 by to get 4?
2.
What's 2 times 1?
2.
And is 3/4 gonna change at all?
No.
Why not?
Because they have a denominator of 4.
Yes. Okay. Can somebody come up here and add it for me? Let me see. Solomon, come add it. Okay. 5/4. Now is that more than a whole?
Yes.
Yeah.
That'd be.
Oh.
Actually, that would be.
Is that more than 4?
That's actually. I know the answer.
So what are we gonna do? I love that you know the answer, but what are we gonna do first?
You're
We're
gonna
gonna
find.
regroup. So can somebody come up here and regroup it for me? Sydney. So it was 5/4. Good job. Okay, so our answer is gonna be 2 and 1/4. So how many eggs do we have to have in total?
2 and 1/4.
2 and 1/4. Is 1/4 closer to 0 or to 1?
It is closer.
I know it is. I didn't even realize that. Okay, everybody get your.
Come up.
Hey, if you talk while we're playing, we're just gonna turn it off. We're gonna play Book It for a brain break, and then we're gonna do an assignment after that. Okay, pull up Book It.
If you click Google, it should let you
Okay.
log in through your email.
I need the restroom.
We're waiting for one person.
I'm coming.
I'm that girl.
Okay, is everybody in now?
Yes. I had to put my last name. It wasn't like
Y'all ready?
Yep. Skip.
These are hard. These are not easy. You can do it
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, you so professional.
Was it time?
Yes. You made it. I need
Next, hey look, if we are quiet and we do what we're supposed to, the other bucket goes a lot faster. It's a lot easier. This one's kinda hard. But y'all are equally okay. I should not hear you talking.
What is this? These answers are incorrect. Look, I thought there was 5. It said it was 2.
Subtracting, not adding. Their brains are so hard right now.
What you get for getting?
I got one. I only got one wrong, but 2 wrong.
The next one's gonna be super easy, okay?
This is a keep prize.
like an egg.
Okay, y'all got 50 more seconds and then we'll play the other one.
50.
Okay,
Good job, bro. The denominators are kind of hard.
The fact that we use about 54.
Okay.
No.
Okay, 7, 6, 5.
Don't talk to me.
I'm sorry. The pig for. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was. I talked too fast.
You did that.
Please, let's not. This shit look for me too.
I'm taking
I
that.
click fast. I
click
click fast.
Okay, look, now we're gonna do the easy one.
Bro, my dad's down.
Hey, y'all, hey, if you keep talking, we're not gonna play. There's no reason to actually hear your voice right now. It is not the same.
Who is that girl? Me. Is that problem? What is it? Monkey? Dang. Give me a hug. Who got the baby shirt? No, you know you can't put that in. Don't you try. What you have to put?
Okay, who are we waiting on?
You know you did not try that.
Me.
Pet. Go.
It says the game.
You put the one. It's only. Put it in. Who is Louie?
I did.
Bluey. Oh.
You wanna try it again, Patrick?
That's Haley.
Y'all like my animals? What is that? 22.
Bruh. If she took from me, she goes. I was clicking fast. Exactly. You can not. Bro, I look like
Y'all like my avatar?
No,
Everybody?
what?
I ain't sure.
What's up?
Wait, don't start.
Okay.
You will fall out.
Yes, wait.
Okay, well, this one's a little easier. That first one. It's that hard. Most college students have to do that. You just know them automatically.
Look, let me take you. In the first one, I had
You do Solid, why would you do it? I'm gonna take from you. I don't care what nobody says. He took from you? Yeah. Babe, I got you solid.
how I did.
No, shush.
Why would y'all stay?
I'm tired. Ow. I'm in 6th grade.
Thank you, Simon.
I'm in
Haley, I took from her. Simon, you want to target you? Simon, you so hard.
I'm in first place. I'm gonna get you. No.
No.
I'm coming to get you.
I didn't get you. No, I didn't get you.
Did Patrick stop with you?
No.
I'm about to cry.
Bro, wait. Come on, Kimberly. You got this.
Hey, everybody take away from Solomon.
Well, just stop.
Yeah, I'm finna be fast. Not going for long.
Oh, come on. What I say? I'll take some
Patrick, how you with
Coward.
Fish kid.
Oh, no. No more Reese's sweet. I'll get you two Sydney. Y'all gonna bring her everything. Yes. But you know what? Mom will do the last one.
Third place. Oh, I'm second place.
Okay, Mookie, right inside of me, too. Why would you do that, Guadalupe?
Wait, who she took from?
Me, she swapped from me. Now I don't know what I'm gonna take from her.
Oh, wait, Axel.
Patrick, how you keep getting first?
Not for long.
Bro! No! I'm getting loose.
One.
Okay. Let's see.
Can you look at the view?
Okay. Okay, put your phone books up.
Can we do it from
Can I get somebody to pass these out?
Oh, the first one is gonna do it.
Amira. And can I get one more person? McKinley.
Are you serious? Yeah, it's 2:20. We ain't done quick shit. Time going fast. Did you take away from the game? Yes, you did. No. I'm not talking about it.
Just one, three.
I'm at 76.
We'll get you in.
Man, I said,
Okay, put your name on it, okay? Put your name on both of them.
No.
where's my list? It's on. Which one?
Okay, is everybody's name on theirs? Okay, let's look at the first problem. Can someone read it for me? Guadalupe.
Levi is baking muffins for brunch. She uses 2/3 cup of sugar for the chocolate and 3/4 cup of sugar for the vanilla butter batter. How much sugar does she use in total?
Okay, so she used 2/3 cups of sugar for her chocolate and then 3/4. So 2/3 and 3/4. So it says in total. So are we going to be adding or subtracting? Adding. Good job. Okay, what is the least common denominator for 3 and 4? Chrissy. 12. What did we have to multiply our 3 by to get 12?
4.
4. What's 4 times 2?
8.
What did we have to multiply our 4 by to get 12?
3.
3. What's 3 times 3?
9.
So what's 8 twelfths plus 9 twelfths?
17, 12.
17 twelfths. What are we going to have to do, Sydney? What did you say? We're going to regroup. Okay, so how are we going to regroup this? Can anybody tell me? Patrick.
We group 7, 12, and 17.
Yes. So how are we going to do that?
17 minus 12.
17 minus 12. So we're going to subtract 12 twelfths.
That is
So what are we going to get?
0.
17
5
minus 12.
5 12.
5 twelfths. 1 and 5 twelfths.
I was one number away.
Good job. Okay. Let's do number 2 together. Sydney, you can read it.
Aiden has 6 gallons of hey, yeah. Okay. After painting a part of his garden pit, he has 1/4 gallon left. How much paint did he use on his garden pits?
So he had 5, 6, and 1/4. So he has 1/4 gallon left. So are we gonna add or subtract? Subtract. Good. Now what is our least common denominator for 6 and 4?
12.
12. What do we have to multiply our 6 by to get 12?
2.
What's 2 times 5?
10.
What do we have to multiply our 4 by to get 12?
3.
What's 3 times 1?
3.
So what's 10 twelfths minus 3 twelfths?
Oh, and minus
7 12.
7 twelfths. Okay. Now I want y'all to do number 3. Sorry. I want you to do number 3 and 4 by yourself. Actually do 3 by yourself, and if we're quiet, then I'll let you do 4 with a partner. But I get this partner.
Mm.
Can I do number 4 if I'm done with my
Yes,
2?
you can. Were you gonna ask
Can
that?
I do number 5?
Yes, you can go to 5 if you're already done with 3 and
Can I
4.
go to number 6?
Yes, you can.
We never were too fast.
You were adding.
Nobody else.
For number 3, what are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting?
Adding.
Adding. Good job. What's the least common denominator for 4 and 2? What's 2 times 1?
2.
Okay. What's 3 plus 2?
5.
So 5 fourths. Is that more than 4 fourths? Yes. So you're gonna subtract 4 fourths. And you're gonna add that other one right here. What's 1 plus 3 plus 2? 6 and 1/4. Good job. Huh? You go to 5. So you're gonna subtract 4 4. Because that's more than 4, right? So subtract 4 4. And 4 4 is 7. So you're gonna do 1. What's 1 plus 2 plus 2? 1 plus 2 plus 2. So you're gonna have 6. And what's left over? 5 minus 4 equals 1 4. 6 and 6. Good job. Do that one. Yes. You got 3 points.
3 do this, then 7 put
Yeah.
this column up here that
He's
equals
great.
8. For this one,
We have a multiply by
2 above 2 is 8.
and then
That's 6.
so then you're gonna read the 3.
Negative 2.
Can I get an 8? 8. And then 2.
And then 8 plus 6. It makes the 3 is more than 8. And so that 2 is
2
8 8.
and 8 8.
Or that could, all of that could be 3.
They'll do the same. Yeah. So you have to change the 3 to 1 and 5. You have to change that. What did you multiply 4 by to get 8? What's 2 times 3? So, and then you have to and you subtract 3. Okay, so what are we gonna do? So do 3 becomes a and then we're gonna add 8. What's 8 plus 3? What's 2 minus 3? 4. Bless you.
Thank you.
The fourth one's kinda hard. You gotta regroup. That's what you're doing. Hmm? Good job. Hey, Camber.
Yes.
Landon and Haley.
No.
and Carter.
Never mind. I don't know what I'm doing now.
Y'all are the only ones that want. Okay, we're about to change it to our exit book, okay? Okay, you get 1 more minute.
HB.
Yes.
Are you done with your speech?
This is a tornado warning. Please proceed to your designated storm shelter.
Where we go? Get real.
This is a tornado warning. Please proceed to your designated storm shelter.
What's funny?